welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, February the 22nd, 2023. We have here 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the binary puzzle. So 2 puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the medium Sudoku. Let me continue with this puzzle. Medium Sudoku number 6003. 6003. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Alright. By the way, the news of today, it's War Day number 364. 364 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything changed in the world. And in a few days, it will be a year. Yeah, in a few days, a year war in Ukraine. Alright, let me continue. 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a puzzle with 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yeah. 15 minutes to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So is this a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. How about 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4, 4. Now I cannot continue with the 4. Need more information. Yes, insufficient information. Let me see. The 7 in this row, the 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So, yeah. Cannot continue with the 7. Alright, how about the 8 then? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Yeah. 8. Need an 8 here. 8. Cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. How about the 6 in this row, the 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, third row. 5 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. You see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 in the last column should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Let me go back to the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Okay. Well. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 3 boxes. In the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Alright. 3, 8, and 9. Need a 9. 3 missing numbers. In the third column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, this box can be a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. This box can be a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this column should be there. So the 3 and 8 are left. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. So we have an 8 in this third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so 1 goes there. 1, 1, okay. Then. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. Second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. First column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square in front of us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column. Last column. 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 6 and 7. We have a 6 now in this row. Second row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this third row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so no more above. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then. Let me see. 1 and 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and an 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. 2 stars? No, let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.